guys, I'm back with another makeup of the day. This time around, I am incorporating my Boxycharm unboxing video since I did use the palette that I received from this month's box. So without further ado, here is my Boxycharm. So I'll just do a quick unboxing on what I got for my Boxycharm. I'm actually really excited. The main thing that I'm super excited that I got for this month's box is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever palette. I was super excited to get this item in the box because anytime I get a palette, I'm always just super excited because I love eyeshadow palettes, and the color scheme for this one is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the first time trying products out on my eyes. The green that I did use was a little bit chunky and some fell on my eyes, which was a little bit painful, but for the most part I think they're really pigmented. The next thing I got is this Pharmacy Deep Sweep Pore Cleaning Toner, which has 2% BHA. I know I've heard a lot of good things about BHAs. It's alcohol-free toner. I'm really excited. I know a lot of people really do love the Pharmacy brand. And then the next thing I got is the Seraphine Botanicals Glow Lip Mask. And I did try it out at the beginning of this video, and honestly I felt like the formula was really thin. It did smell really good though, but the formula was really thin that I had to go back into my Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. That's a so-so product. I'm not super excited about it. Okay, and the next thing I got is the Lip Gasm by Trust Fund Beauty. I shouldn't have destroyed the box because so I could give it away. I mean, I could still give it away. It's not tainted. I didn't open it, but I don't use any hot pinks on my lips, and I just know I'm not gonna get use out of it. And the last thing that I got for this box is the Pure Minerals 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. This is the product that I chose for the month, and I've used this once. I used this yesterday. It is very sheer, so this is definitely a tinted moisturizer. It's SPF 20, and I like that I have until 2023 until it expires. Even though it's really sheer, this is exactly what I was looking for, so I could just keep it in the bathroom. I don't have to keep it in my vanity, so in days when I just, you know, I need some moisture and then a little bit of like evening out, like when I say little, it's very little. It's a very sheer product because it is a tinted moisturizer that I'll have it. The color I got is in TN5, which works out fine. So overall, I think I really liked this month's box, and I ordered only one thing for the add-on, and all the add-ons and pop-up purchases are coming in really late. So I'll do a collective haul of all those things that I received because they're just been trickling in the mail. So like I've just been kind of putting them aside. I have no self-control when it comes to the Boxycharm pop-up prices because they're super good. And since this is a makeup of the day post, I will do a quick breakdown of what I use for my entire face. Since the end of the video, I'll do a start to finish on my makeup of the day if you're curious of how everything came together. So again, I promised myself that I'm gonna keep using this until it's done. So I think I have one more use. I know I said last time I have two. I have one more. So this is literally the foundation that just keeps on going, I swear. And then for my under eye concealer this time around, I'm wearing the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. The Pretty Fresh line is actually really nice. And then for my powders for my face today, since I used my Kiko products my last makeup of the day, I wanted to pull out my other Kiko products as well. So these are other shades of the same like powder. These are the Magical Holiday powders. I think this was like previous holidays. So I have two shades. I have it in Sienna and Honey, and then Sienna is the one I use for all over my face. It's just a little bit tanner, and then the Honey one is just a little bit lighter, so that's what I use for underneath my eyes. And I think these are so nice. They're baked powders, such great quality, and the packaging is a little bit bulky, but it's super cute. And for my blush today, I pulled out my Burts Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon. This is the only one I own. I do want to get the other shades, but I'm waiting for a sale. But this is Toasted Cinnamon. The formula of this is just really powdery, but it's very pretty. I think it delivers a really nice color in the cheeks, but just be prepared because it's very powdery. You'll get a lot of kick up, so you're gonna need to like brush it off a little bit because it's just really powdery. You'll get it all over your clothes if you don't like tap your brush before applying it. For my highlight today, I pulled out a lot of new things for this. This one is from Jcat Beauty, You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter, and this one is called Twilight, and it's super pretty. The light coming in from the window is so bright, but this highlighter is super nice. So that is pretty much it for this Boxycharm unboxing video. I hope you guys are having a great day. The whole start to finish of my makeup look is going to be after this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
Can someone tell me why every time I fall in love it seems to be at the wrong time? You walked into my life and I knew right then and there I wouldn't get you off my mind. But then I looked you up and there she was, in your arms all cute and stuff. You got someone, no signs of breaking up. Why does my heart attract, overreact, wanting someone that I can't have, can't take it back, this feeling, damn yeah. Why do you gotta be taken? You don't know how long I've been waiting for someone like you. Now there's nothing I can do. Why do you gotta be taken? Can't you see my heart is breaking over you? You're just too good to be true. Why do you gotta be taken? It's really no surprise that you already